bought these batteries that are a little bit heavy. I hope it's not too heavy for Pee-wee. We're going to test it right now. I'm going after her, Jed. Huh? Might be too heavy for him. I don't know. I don't want to damage the engine. Okay, here it goes. Here it goes. Wait, look. It's good. Too windy for Pee-wee though. I guess the battery is okay. Just that it's very windy. Pee-wee, don't go up too high. Stay low. This is an air park. It's not for dogs. This is not a dog park. It's for airplanes, this one. And it should be on a leash. We have to step on dog shit. That's not right. And then we step on it. That's very wrong. Oh, it's too windy for Pee-wee.